Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can set up your Android emulator and your Android hard device on your Mac M1 chip processor. Okay, so let's start. So that's the React Native website. So that's the line of code that we need to add in the configuration, either on the bash file, bash profile file or the Z profile file. Okay, so how to do that? So we need to open a terminal and then we do open. And then we type open bash profile, and then we copy that, and then we just paste it here. Okay, save and then close, and then after that we run source, and then we just copy that just to make it faster, and then we click enter. So it's going to reactivate the bash file for us. Okay, and then another thing, just to make sure we work on the safe side, we will open the Z profile as well, and then we add that as well, and then we save and then we close, and then you just guys open a new terminal. Okay, after we added that, we want to make sure if our emulator can be reached. Okay, what we do is we type adb click, so it's giving us some suggestions that what commands we can use. Okay, so it means it's working. If it's not working, it's just going to tell us adb is not a command, okay, or not recognized. Okay, so we do so let me just unplug the hard device. No, actually let's plug it in again. Okay, so now I'm going to run devices, adb devices, and then we will see we have my physical device and then I have my emulator. Okay, so the Android emulator can be found. You just search online Android emulator M1 Mac preview, and then you go to the first link, and then releases just down here, and then you click the latest one, or the one you think it works for you. Okay, you go in, you download this file, and then you install it. After you install it, it will be saved in your applications. It's right there. Okay, I already opened it, so it's just right here. Okay, so once you open it and then you list the devices that are available, you will see it says emulator, and that's the hard device I'm using. Okay, now I already created a React Native project, which is this one. Okay, so if you don't have the local.properties, create one and then add this line of code with your directory. Okay, with the correct directory. Okay, there is another thing. This can be created by itself if you open Android Studio, and then I already opened it. Okay, but you can go to file, for example, and then open, and then you open your project, which is desktop, and then that's my React Native project, Android, and then you click open, and then it will start installing whatever dependency you need to run your project. Okay, so after you do that, you will see the local data properties has been created. Okay, and then you go to Gradle properties. Okay, so two things we need to add here. One is this line of code. So this one is for the emulator if you run into an issue, and then we need this one as well. I will add them on the comment on the video. Okay, so you add to those lines, and then you just click save, and then you save them. Okay, after you do that, you will go to something called a gradle.properties, and then you might find it. You might find the version is 732. Just make sure you have it 733. Okay, all that you need for now. Okay, now let's run our project, and then after doing all that, we just need to run our project through npm terminal, and then we do npx react native, and then run Android. So it will run in two it will run in the both connected environments, which is the emulator and the hard device. Okay, let's click run. So I have my device already opened here, and I have the emulator, which is here. Okay, so the metro is being running now. Okay, so the metro is just running in here on the background, and then we're gonna wait for that to install. Okay, so let's go back here and let's go back to the emulator. Okay, now it's running. Okay, congratulations, now you got your emulator and physical device running for React Native project environment. Good luck, guys.